Good morning. How are you?
Look.
Huh?
Look.
What is that? Huh? What is this?
Cow.
That's not a cow. That's a tiger. That's a white tiger.
With a tiger.
Yeah, you had a good night's sleep? You had a long sleep? Ready to go have some breakfast? Okay. Say good morning, Fibs.
I'll drive a train.
You want to drive the train? Okay.
I'll drive a car.
And drive the car too? Say morning, Fibs.
Morning, Fibs. I'll do the car.
Huh?
I'll do the truck.
And drive the fire truck too? Alright, let's go do all that.
I will the car.
And the car. Okay, come.
I will the bike.
And the bike.
I will the bike.
And ride the bike.
With the bike.
Ride the bike. Okay, come on, you sweet boy, you.
Hey, you truck.
And the yellow truck. Come.
Yeah. Truck. You train.
A yellow train. Forget you. What do you want? What do you want for breakfast? Breakfast? Let's go have breakfast. Go. Go on. Go. Yeah? This one. Yeah, but we have to make breakfast. Go turn on the light. Hi friends, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. If you guys, I can't show you guys my face right now because I just rolled out of bed to pick up Tyler. I'm a hot mess. So, I just rolled out of bed and I'm making him breakfast. Of course, he wants his chocolate milk and his toast bread. Yes? Huh? You want cake? Well, it sounds like somebody wants cake instead of toast bread. I'm making his chocolate milk and whatever he wants to eat, then he can have that to eat. So this mama can get her workout in right away. You want toast?
Toast. Mama.
Yeah.
And this one.
Yeah, the chocolate is in there.
This one.
This one.
This one. This one. Mama.
Yes.
This one.
What you want?
Mama.
Yes.
This one.
What? What's up there? Yes, sit here. This one.
Mama, this one.
Yeah. Wow.
This one. Mama,
Yes.
this one.
Yeah. Go sit, Mama carrying it for you. This boy loves chocolate. Loves chocolate. He's a real French boy. Yes, Ty. Yes, Mama put in a chocolate on it for you. Real French kid. Chocolate titty. Yeah. Chocolate for Tyler. Yeah, so this is what Tyler breakfast is looking like this morning. You ready for breakfast?
Breakfast.
Alright, let's go. He's so ready. You guys, you're finally getting to see my face this morning. It's been a pretty busy morning for me. I've been multitasking like crazy, doing so many things at the same time. I'm actually in my favorite spot. If you guys know by now my background, I'm in the kitchen, and I am halfway into making dinner. So I have some chicken in the oven roasting. Can you see that? Ooh, let's check on that. Chicken roasting in the oven, and I'm not sure what I'm going to make that with yet. I'll decide in a bit, but first I need to go and feed Tyler lunch. And lunch for Tyler is going to be some sweet potato and fish. That's what he's gonna have for lunch, and he's also gonna have one of his favorite yogurt. So that's Tyler lunch going to go down right now. And then after Tyler eat, I need to put him down for a nap and get myself ready for work, because I have work a little bit earlier than usual today. So that's what's happening right now. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Mama. Yes, Ty? Yes, Peppa Pig is on. Workout didn't go as I wanted it to go this morning, because Tyler wanted me so many times during workout, which he don't normally need me. But when duty calls, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I have to stop a bunch of time to attend to Tyler this morning, and that kind of threw me off rhythm a little bit, but that's okay. I still get workout done, but I don't feel as accomplished as I used to feel, but I still got something done, and that's what's most important. So right now I'm going to feed this boy some lunch. Come baby. Ty, it's lunchtime. Come on, sit. Look what you're doing. Sit properly. It's lunchtime. Yeah? Yeah, we're watching Peppa Pig still. It's not going away. It's lunchtime. You ready for lunch? You ready for lunch? Give Mama a kiss. Mouth. I love you.
Love you.
I love you too, Mama.
Love you too, Mama.
You guys, so I finally decided that I make quinoa for dinner and the oven roast. So I'm just gonna go ahead and have some of this for lunch real quick. Yummy. Hey guys, we are all back home. I'm back home from work. Tyler and I matching today in the same color. Tyler is back from school. What did you do at school today?
Mommy, get a butterfly.
You just want to make it a butterfly.
Make it a yellow.
Say hi, Faves.
Make it a
You
yellow.
want to make it a yellow? You want to say hi to the Faves?
With the face.
The Faves, you're going to have dinner?
Bye-bye.
You're telling them bye-bye? Tell them what you're going to have for dinner. What you're going to have for dinner?
Bye-bye.
You saying bye-bye? So why are you giving them sad face? Give them happy face.
Happy face.
Show them happy face.
Happy face.
But that's sad face. Show them happy face.
Happy face.
Where is happy face? Yeah. And where is sad face? That's sad face. Ready for dinner? You ready to have dinner? What we gonna have for dinner?
Mama.
Yes.
The happy face.
Where's the happy face? Show Mama the happy face. Where's the happy face? Show Mama happy face. And where's the sad face? Where's the sad face? Happy face, sad face. All right. Let's go have dinner. Dinner.
Mama.
Yes. I'm making Tyler dinner. Of course, these days I don't have to be cooking 2 pots, because Tyler eats the same thing that we eat. and he is a big lover of quinoa and chicken. So that's Tyler dinner. He's having quinoa and chicken. Here I'm talking about fries and yogurt. Oh, butterfly! What about the butterfly?
The butterfly couch.
Uh-huh.
The butterfly in the couch.
The butterfly's in the couch. So go get it.
Hi guys, yeah, so as babe say earlier, we all back home. Yeah, I feel very tired, so you didn't see me today, so I gotta say hello to everybody. Yeah. Look at her, you look like a little girl. You know when you watch TV and you see like a documentary or something there on live, and you always see little kid like trying to be on the camera.
Well, I'm trying to steal a moment.
You have a message to give?
No, not at all. I'm just messing around. I'm feeding my child. He's enjoying his quinoa and chicken.
That's what for us.
The same.
Same thing, okay. I'm gonna enjoy. I have a little headache, so yeah, having a long day, and yeah, I think it's more the heat because
I don't know why you guys make your office so hot.
we can't control the heater.
Share the screen, Shawnee.
Me, Shirley? You're Shirley.
Share the screen.
Shirley.
I don't listen, you guys. When I go to babe office, I feel like I just want to strip naked. It's hot.
That's a tactic. That's a technique. So we have naked customers.
Naked customers.
Ah, yeah.
So you've been seeing naked customers all day?
Yeah, yeah.
No wonder why you come home with your ties off each day.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna rest and
It's Chill Friday, you guys. Chill
yeah,
Friday.
I'm gonna rest, gonna eat, gonna take tablet
And watch Olivia Pope.
relax.
And watch Olivia Pope.
And watch Olivia Pope.
And of course, we didn't end the vlog, so I'm just coming on to end the vlog as I'm editing today. Why are you in the top of my hair?
Cushion.
You're crazy.
Yeah, if I miss a cushion on the night, I can sleep like this if you like.
No,
cushion.
not on my hair. Baby! You're so cute.
If a Jamaican tell you.
You guys, we're just coming on to end today's vlog with the expressions. Yes, Ty?
Tablet.
Yes, the tablet is in your hand. What's wrong? Tyler forever calling mama. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys
The Jamaican expression.
the Jamaican expression for today is no make your left hand know what your right hand a do.
Now make your left hand know what your right hand do.
Yes. Not everything you should tell people, not even the person closest to you. You should always keep something a secret.
Okay.
So now make your left hand know what your right hand a do.
Okay.
Yes. So there you guys have the Jamaican expression for today. Though it's not an insulting one, but the insulting one should be coming back tomorrow. Don't worry yourself. Alright, what's the French word or expression for today?
The French word is dedicated to Tyler today.
Okay.
Ne pas être dans son assiette. Simply mean when you're not in a good shape. You say
Okay.
you're not in your place.
Okay. Yeah, he's getting there though.
Yeah.
How it goes?
Ne pas être
Ne pas être
dans son assiette.
dans son assiette.
Yeah, so today someone is not good say it.
To not feel well.
Right, he's
Okay.
not
To
in
not
his place.
your old self. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys. So, yeah, I love that one. So there you guys have the French expression and Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you
Can you
guys.
believe you're here, you think you're learning French, you think someone is talking about plate and all of this expression that's just showing how
Yeah.
hard it is to master language.
That's so true. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, turn on your notification, catch up with the fan band, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
In
Bye,
better
guys.
shape.
In better shape. Tyler. Say bye, Fave.
Bye, Pet.
Blow them kisses. Mwah.